Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the medkit and acting immediately. Open your inventory and assign the medkit to a quick-use slot, then check your current HP. Once done, use the medkit when you drop under 60% health to get the largest net recovery versus wasted over heal. Make sure to combine it with 2 bandages in crafting if you have them, because the medkit restores instant health while bandages stop bleed effects. This preserves resources and prevents follow-up damage. You should execute medkit use during a controlled pause in combat. Step behind cover or force a stagger so enemies don't interrupt the animation. While you're at it, pop any short-duration defensive buffs first. This reduces incoming damage while the medkit heals. Once the animation finishes, immediately re-engage or reposition. Don't stand idle. If you interrupt the heal, the medkit partially consumes. Therefore, time your recovery to coincide with a stun or knockback and preserve the item value. You finish by topping off with smaller heals to avoid waste and by stashing 1 or 2 spare medkits for bosses or unexpected waves. Once healed, regroup and check status effects. Cleanse bleed or poison with bandages or antidotes to prevent health drain. If the medkit heal gets interrupted, immediately move to nearest cover and reapply a bandage, then the medkit again. This sequence fixes most interruptions. Finally, track medkit cooldowns and craft replacements so you never enter a fight empty-handed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.